We are doing the Montreal Marathon / half marathon, and right now we're walking down to bib pickup and the expo.
Guys, the line loops like 6 times.
It literally just makes a circle.
Hey Queen.
We found the end.
Why is this line the whole 26.2 miles?
Yeah.
Kayla, you just acquired a bib and you've acquired it from somebody else, and this is awesome.
She's gonna be here in 2 minutes.
This is very exciting.
Yep,
I'm excited. This is a very almost last minute spontaneous decision, you could say.
This looks like airport security a little bit.
Yes, it does. Giving TSA.
Kayla, I'm thinking about New York 24/7, 365 since I got the admission. Like, I go to bed thinking I'm gonna cross that finish line. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna cry. Listen, I'm just here to do what I'm here to do.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
This is the top 1% of our nation, and you're in it. Are you so excited to run?
Yeah!
This is my bio lab partner, by the way, and I just see her now.
I know, I haven't seen you at all.
What did you buy?
It came with the bag.
What is it?
Stress ball.
Whoa.
Apparently Owen says it's because the 5K people are too stressed because they don't know how to run, so they gave us a stress
Do you know
ball.
how to run?
I ran my first 5K 2 weeks ago, so
Congratulations.
not really.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, well you're gonna crush it then. This is what we were waiting for. The expo, free food.
Can I try all of them, or is it one per person?
Oh, I tried a couple.
Oh, great. Can I try the other 2, please?
Yes. Marathon man.
Yeah, I got the overpriced windbreaker. But
It looks awesome.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. It was so worth it. I'm gonna wear this all the time, like literally all the time. It's gonna be amazing.
J'ai pas atteint le stade où je te dirais que je suis stable et que mon cœur intact est prêt à se prendre d'autres balles. Ça fait des semaines, je suis pas sorti et j'ai peur de te croiser dans la rue. Je mets quelques selfies en story, je les enlève.
The course is not ready for her.
Comme si j'avais plein d'amis, comme si je vivais dans le luxe.
Ultimate
Alors que je
WAG
pleure seul dans
for
mon
today,
lit.
for
Chaque
Sunday.
fois que je te croise dans le bus, j'ai pas atteint le stade où je te dirais que je suis stable et que mon cœur intact est prêt à se prendre d'autres balles. J'ai pas atteint.
Are we warmed up?
Somewhat.
No.
Warmer up.
En face, sans avoir peur qu'elle me casse.
I'm feeling good. I'm
Yeah.
ready. Yeah.
Okay.
De toute façon, je l'ai jamais aimé. Je vais faire de grandes choses pour que tu puisses dire aux autres garçons que j'ai déjà aimé. Mais pour l'instant, j'écris de la musique qui restera sur mon ordi jusqu'au jour où je me lèverai de mon lit. Que je la porterai dans une maison disque. Et là, ça deviendra sûrement un tube. Et tout ça, au fond, ce sera de ta faute. J'enchaînerai les concerts d'un jour à l'autre. Et pour la première fois, j'aurai atteint le stade où je te dirais que je suis stable et que mon cœur intact est prêt à se prendre d'autres balles. J'ai pas atteint le stade.
Okay, the WAGs have upgraded their mode of transport. We're on to Bixie bike here. We're on the Bixies.
J'aurais
Wanna
pu
find
te
them.
ramener sur scène, t'aurais signé des autographes.
Guys,
On aurait fait le tour
Montreal
de la
is
terre
where it's
pour
at.
échapper aux photographes. À tous les soirs, hôtel 5 étoiles. T'aurais tout fait, même du cinéma. Mais je te rassure, ça n'arrivera pas. Parce qu'enfin, pour la première fois, j'aurais atteint le stade où je te dirais que je suis stable.
We were able to see Matthew. We saw Kayla. Sophie was going way too fast, so we missed her. She just finished. We're almost at the stadium. And then we're gonna see Kayla and Matthew finish. And Sophie's already done. She crushed it.
Dans 2 semaines, mais je vais faire comme si rien n'était, comme si j'avais plus de peine. J'atteins le stade où je peux kiffer la vie que je mène. Celui où t'es plus dans ma tête et moi plus dans la tienne. Peut-être que je t'aime encore un peu, c'est ça le problème. Mais je vais faire comme si rien n'était, comme si j'avais plus de peine.
Here we have a victorious half marathoner. Yeah.
I felt really good until the second to last mile, and then it was really hard because there's some hills that I was not aware of.
Oh, how was the Berry Hill?
Berry Hill was not as bad as I had thought. I think like the sidewalk is bad, but when you're on the street, it's less steep.
Right.
So it was doable. I'm really grateful that you came and supported me, Echo.
Well, I'm really happy that you ran. I had something to support. That was so much fun.
It was so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's giving glitter sparkling half marathon medal. Oh yeah. Give a face. Yeah. Attention vlog. Katie and I are going to get gnocchi. So excited. Today has been only the most perfect day ever. It's 60 and sunny. This is our $6 gnocchi. We've been geeked out. I'm not like a restaurant frequenter, but Katie sent me a bunch of reels recently and they looked awesome, and this place, my roommate loves this place, so we had to give it a try, and it smells insanely good, and we've been excited since like 11 a.m. or probably before, to be honest. Okay, so Katie and I actually had to compose ourselves because this was insane. This is probably the most best pasta I've ever had ever.
It is. There's no competition.
There's no competition. It's so hot. It's like very hot, and the sauce is so flavorful. And I'm so happy that we got it with cheese, and also like the texture is crazy. Yeah, I kind of almost burst a tear, but I didn't. But it's really good. Katie and I are now walking home with ice creams in our hand, and we kind of, that's all we've been saying, is that this is just like, this is actually the best day I've had in a really, really long time, and I'm glad that it's with Katie. Yeah. Now we have ice cream and we had gnocchi, and it's just like perfect weather, and now we get to walk home through the park. Yeah. Shout out Montreal. We don't really have any words. I just want to remember this night. That's all. Yeah. Also, I got rose cardamom and chocolate. My mom would love this. Like, actually, shout out to you, mommy. You'd probably really like find this really yummy. Okay, I'm going camping, like in an hour. Whoa. 30 minutes I need to leave. So I'm gonna pack my bag and then we're gonna go. So I pretty much filled up this summer notebook here. So I'm on to a new one. This is my 4th journal this year. So it feels really, really, really like clean and fresh to start with a new one.
He's not Tom, right?
No.
Start off the trip with a little icebreaker that our admin members were devising on a...
Maybe I don't even know.
Guys, we don't have Rizzo here. Look at the satellite.
No service. Guys.
Oh yeah, how are you with you and your satellite?
Oh yeah, yesterday I was able to catch a satellite. Well, I didn't do anything with it, but I could have sent a message through a satellite.
The sky was filled with stars like 8 hours ago. Yeah, it was crazy.
It was gorge.
It
was gorge.
Guys, this was mass cooked for like 30 people. No. Wow, you're such an artist.
I know. I know.
Gradually zoomed out.
We're doing art.
And her first more ever.
Oh my gosh. That's a crazy one too. That's true. Maybe if I had to, I could like drive the zombies. I feel bad.
Bro, stop mogging.
Me, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's
it's
not my
okay.
fault. That's just my face. Childhood friend. Okay, just so you know,
You're so fucking like.
it was.
that.